How to add multiple photos and videos on Instagram Story. To start, open your Instagram application in your mobile device. Tap on the plus sign in the center, and then in here, create a new story using those in your gallery. In here, select multiple. Then, once satisfied, click on Next. And as you can see, I have added multiple photos in my Instagram post. Once satisfied, click on the check mark. In here, click on the next arrow. Then again, you can do the same thing by clicking those in your gallery, depending on what album you want to get from. In here, choose multiple photos once again. Now wait for Instagram to finish processing your video. And then in here, click on the smiling square on the upper right, and then you can add more effects, such as a music. Now select which part of the music you want to use for your post. Then click on Done on the upper right once satisfied. Once done, you can now post your story as is. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.